One thing that was extremely important to me was to establish an independence of the indigenous population. That, in other words, in the story and in the film, that they didn't rely on Fawcett at all for their own existence and for their own well-being. That it wasn't that, Fawcett went down there and saved them and what a good guy he is.
What I loved about Nina was that she was so modern, and he really celebrated that in her. They were Buddhist, she was a suffragette, she was raising children, but I don't think she ever sort of felt sorry for herself. She feels very strong and very contemporary and very liberated, but battling against the confines of a very oppressive society, which is something that's thankfully changed and is continuing to change. But I loved her.